One of the best ways to get a sense of the depth and range of Taiwan's innovation is to visit exhibitions, trade fairs, and startup launch events. I did that a lot this past year, because there is a major show almost every week, and I confirmed that Taiwanese companies are innovating in basically every industry that matters. Here then is a list of major expos that you can visit in Taiwan in 2026, with dates and locations. In the description below, you will find their websites and, in most cases, a contact email. So let's go! That's it. I hope you found it interesting and useful. Remember that links to websites and contact emails are in the description below. Now that you have a roadmap for the leading industry events in Taiwan in 2026, it's time to start booking flights and hotels. I hope to see you here very soon.